Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about double integral. So now I want to show you how to answer. We put the bounds of dx and dy. About dx, that should be from 0 to number 1. About dy, that should be about from 0 to number 4. The integration of s for dx, that is about s squared over number 2. This one, that is about s to the power of 4 over 4. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So I will put number 1 gone here and number 0 gone here. So we have like this. That is about 3 over 2 y to the power of 2. This one we have 6 over number 4. The integration of y to the power of 2, that is about y to the power of 3 over 3. This one, that is about y. So I will put number 4 gone here, number 0 gone here, and now we have the final answer. And we have 38. This is the end. Thank you for watching.